What's up, guys, and welcome back to this channel, Janat Graphics. And so in today's tutorial I want to show you something or teach you something special, something different. And so I would want to show you how to create a QR code or QR link, right? And so in your designs you might want to add a QR code, or in your communiques you might want to add a QR link, okay, to make it easier for people to contact you and other stuff. Okay, so this QR code helps it make it easier, rather than you going to save a person's contact or you going to the search engine to search a particular website before it leads you to wherever you want, right? So we start by typing create dot wa, that's link, right? Then we search. So when you search, try and wait for it to load. Yes, it will bring you to this platform. Now you try scrolling down, scroll down till you see yes, you see this area. Yes, you can see type your WhatsApp number. Yes, so I want to type my WhatsApp number there. I'll type it there. Yes, then after that you can see custom message there. Okay, so for the custom message you type, you see mostly when you click on you scan this QR code, or you type you click on the link, it leads you to somewhere where you are provided to insert an image. Okay, so maybe I am dash, I want dash, you get it, but here I just want to just put anything there. So maybe I'll start by typing um, anything there. Yeah, anything. I haven't thought of any message, so let me just type your message here. Yeah, type your message here. Okay, so this is our message, right? Now you scroll down, you see review. You have to review and see whatever you've typed. So this is to tell you that when someone clicks on the link or scans the QR code, it will bring the person here and this message will pop up. Okay, yes. So if you are satisfied with it, you go back, but if you are not satisfied, you go and do your editing at where you type the message. Okay, so I'm satisfied with this, so just go to generate my wa link, then you click on it. Now wait for it to load. You scroll down, you can see our QR code here. We can see copy link, you can see download QR, you can see add link to QR code. Okay, so if you check the add link to QR code, your QR code will come out with the link, right? So you can see it has been added after I checked. So after checking, you go on to download, click on download and it will download. So you can open and try and see how it looks like. This is how it will appear in your gallery. Yes, so you can add this to your flyers, your designs, or yeah, your designs, whether using Photoshop or Pixel Lab or any other design tool. Yeah, you can add it to it so that it will make it easier for customers to reach you. Now we'll move on to the second thing, which is creating a QR code for your website. Okay, so for your website, you'd have to type this in your website: free URL to QR code. Now when you type that, this appears. Okay, so you can see the top one, MEQR, MEQR, that is the link we'll be using. Okay, so maybe if you are finding difficult, I don't know whether your own it will pop up like this, but that is what you should search for when you type free URL to QR code, right? Sorry. So when you see this, you try and click on it to open. Okay, other than that, I think you can also search meqrcode.com and it will also lead you there. Okay, so when you click on it, yeah, yes, so when you click on it, it will lead you to the interface, right? So let me try and do that. I don't know Okay, so when you this brings you here. When you click on the link, right, it brings you here. Now what you have to do is, you can see url/link. So you see the previous one, I copied the link, so I can just come and paste it there. I mean the WhatsApp link, I can just come and paste it there, and it will generate, because I don't have a website, so I'm using that one, right? So now you go to name your QR, and it's optional. If you want, you have content category, that one too is optional. So name your QR. I just want to put Janat Graphics there, right? Now the content, I wanted to add arts, but I think there's no art, so let me try education. Yeah, let me put education there. What is education? Okay, so education is up here. Now, yeah, let's go with education. Then customize and download QR, right? So you click on it, so that it will lead you there. Now when it opens like this, you can see there's a plus sign at the corner. Yeah, so you can click on that plus sign to make some editing to the QR code. Okay, yes, oh yes, the QR code. So you can do many changes: the shape, the color. Yeah, you can do changes. You can see the shape here, body patterns. That's the body pattern. So immediately you select a different style, it also changes, it applies to it. You can change the color, and a lot of editing. You can do different kinds of things to it. Now after that, you can see when you click on the plus sign, this appears. So PNG, then the other one, but PNG is mostly the best. It gives you QR code with a background. So you click on the download, right? Yes, and you can see it has downloaded successfully. Now this is popping up because I have already done one before. So you just click OK, then you open to check. So this brings us here. This is how your QR code will look like also in your gallery. So you can do the same by importing your Photoshop, Pixel Lab, or any other design app that you have, and also design with it. Or also you can also use the code, I mean in your communiques, so that you just attach it. Someone needs reads whatever you've shared, then the person just click on it, and it will lead the person to the website or the WhatsApp number. Yeah, so thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Do well to also watch the other videos on my channel. I know it will go a long way to help you all. Thank you for taking time to watch this video.